Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizers TV. I say this is Prizers TV, and I am here once more. I'm here because there is one amazing project that is happening right now in Abia State. And the project that is happening there is what you are looking at. The project is going to look like this. And the images and pictures are circulating online how this project is going to be, and many people don't believe it. When I heard about this project, I myself, I did not believe it. That is the reason I never talked about it. But now, do I believe that Alex Otti is building something that looks like this today? The answer is a yes. Alex Otti is building something that looks like this, or could even be more beautiful than this. This is my answer. And you would ask me, why do I believe it? Well, I have seen the proof. Someone has gone there to confirm, and all these pillars you are seeing on the center have already been mounted. It remains the cover. Therefore, sit down and watch what Alex Otti is building in Abia State. It is a mind-blowing project, and if he completes it, let he remain in power perpetual. Because this man keeps surprising me. Well, when Alex Otti came up with this image, say that Abia State is going to have this terminal in both Aba and Umuahia, many people did not believe it. He said the one in Aba and Umuahia and the one at the Umuahia, they are going to look the same. He will start from one and later go to the other. People did not believe it, including me. This is a very beautiful terminal, but the point is not that it is beautiful. But if we go to the image here, you see that we are only viewing this part. This is the head, the entrance. Now, do you see how long the terminal is? This is going to be the longest terminal in Nigeria. I do not know whether there is any long terminal like this in Africa entirely, but let me talk of the one I know. There is no terminal that is as long as this in Nigeria. And another thing that marvels me is not because of the size or the length, but in building, there is what is called futuristic and also contemporary architecture. When a building is designed to look beautiful, this is what Alex Otti is going to build in Aba. This type of structure is known as contemporary architecture. It is not many in Nigeria. And I am shocked by the type of development this man is bringing to Abia State. I'm very shocked. Especially this one. This one surprised me. I know many people are not going to believe it. The same thing happened when I saw it for the first time. But after watching this video, you are going to believe it, because we have come with the proof and the work going on the ground and so on and so forth. So all the things presented here are going to happen as it is. This is what Abia State is building, and the work has commenced. And if you have heard about Abia State, you would know that that man, when he starts project, he does not quit. By the way, the work has gone beyond 20%. And that is the reason I'm here. I'm here to tell you about what is going on in Abia State, which is a mind-blowing project. Would you have believed that this type of terminal would be in the southeast? If somebody had told you this 4 years ago, 5 years ago, no, you would not have believed it. But there is a big revolution happening in the southeast. And for that, I will have to give credit to people who started it. One of the people who started it is actually Obiano and Umuahia. These are the people who first of all built airport. Obiano built an airport that looked like this. He came up with a prototype, and the people were arguing whether he was going to finish it. And he did, by finishing it. Today, Anambra State has an airport. And people were surprised. The same thing with Umuahia. Umuahia started this project and nobody believed he would finish it. He finished it immediately without wasting time. Today, flights are landing in Abakaliki 247. It is functioning. Remember, we are only focusing on transport. These two governors I have mentioned did other projects like road construction, wall construction, flyovers, so on and so forth. But today, let's focus on transportation. Now, when they did all this, people were surprised and it became a competition. Igbo people never knew that the competition has not started when it comes to transportation until the governor of Enugu State and Alex Otti came into power. Because the governor of Enugu State came into power and delivered this project, a very beautiful bus terminal. And he did not deliver one, he delivered 5 at the same time. It's unbelievable. Within 2 years, while people were clapping at him, he was also opening Enugu Conference Center, which made people to be overwhelmed, including me. Today, there is conference being held here every day by day. But what surprised people most is the terminals that the governor built. Because while he was building these bus terminals, this one, he did not know that somebody was watching him. And that person is this man you are looking at here. His name is Nyesom Wike, the Minister of Transport in Nigeria. And when he saw this building, he said, the world has changed. That the southeast Nigeria has converted into contemporary architecture, buildings that look futuristic. He copied this type of building and built the same in Abuja. Today, Abuja has a bus terminal looking like the one in Enugu. Now, this is Mabushi bus terminal. Alex Otti, when he saw this, he came up with his own plan to build something that will marvel all of them. And he came with this. It's like telling Wike, you are copy, come and copy this one. You know, he tell Wike like, you copy from Southeast, come and copy this one, let's see. He came up with his own longest, biggest, the most beautiful, and I do not think Wike is going to copy this thing at all. So, because of that, it became a talk of the town, and I never believed it until today. I decided to check on this project that is trending everywhere because everybody is talking about this project. I said, okay, let me go and confirm about this project that is trending. Below and behold, the project has commenced. Why? Now, you see this guy you see here? His name is Discover with Jesse. Right? He's a YouTuber. He visited the site, and if you go to his channel, you will see this video. It is written, wow, Umuahia bus terminal under serious construction. His name is Discover with Jesse. You can go and watch the bus terminal going on in Abia State. But before then, let's continue and I show you what happened. Because he was amazed when he got there. He was shocked. And I was shocked as well. Because he made us to believe that, yes, this is actually true. When he was going there, or while he was going there, there were so many things happening there apart from this building you are seeing here. There are many more things happening there. And those things that are happening there will surprise you. Do you know Alex Otti has a construction company? No, you've never heard about it. Well, while this guy was going there, he passed through a construction site where mixers, what we see is cement mixers, you see bulldozers, you see everything, trucks, different kinds, packed. As he continued moving, he came across where they are molding covers. This cover is drainage covers. Alex Otti is producing the drainage covers by himself. He's not buying it from Julius Berger or from... No. Alex Otti has a construction company that produce drainage concrete. So the drainage concrete you are seeing is produced by Alex Otti. This is a mind-blowing project. This is how governor who is ready to work works. Right? And to prove it is, when we go to Aba to watch the construction, we find out that some of the drainage covers have been supplied to cover drainages in Abia State. That it is not fake news. He is actually building all these drainage covers, covering drainages in Aba, Umuahia, and everywhere in Abia State. All these drainages, both the cover, the side, the everything, is produced by Alex Otti, not Julius Berger. Julius Berger is not making it. Julius Berger will give you the measurements they want, and you go and fabricate it yourself. Alex Otti's construction company surprised me because when the guy was going there, I've never seen construction company as big as this. See, he was pointing hands that there are uncountable mixers. This one bring water. This one, everybody is busy 247. He also creates employment for the people. And do you know another amazing thing? The problem, or the good news, is not that Alex Otti is building this terminal or which is going to look like this when he finishes it. This is marvelous. Now, another good news there is that Alex Otti has completed the feed. You know, like when a terminal is built, terminal will be built first before a feed where buses and everything will be packed. Okay, Alex Otti has completed that feed. Majority of the feed has been completed. Look at it. Because this place is not too far away from where he has a construction company. The first thing they started was building this big feed. It is known as Central Feed. This place is large. Grasses have started growing there. He has ordered buses, and when the buses come, they will park here. And another thing that surprised me is the landscape of Abia State, especially Umuahia. This place looks like Europe. I see this, I say, are you sure this is not Europe? If it was not that, it is a video the guy was showing, I would have not believed that this is in Nigeria, because the landscape here is not showing Nigeria. Only one peak house or two peak houses. You see this red one, and the other ones are all futuristic building, flat roof. This one is futuristic as well. This one is Roman, because this is a church. But the way the landscape look is beautiful. If anybody had shown me this image, say this is somewhere, I would say this is, okay, Europe, because it actually looks like Europe or America or Western world. That is exactly how their landscape look. This place doesn't look like Africa. And here is going to be the center of Abia State. Very beautiful. It's just beautiful. Believe me, it's amazing. So on getting there, the guy was talking about what we are showing you here. The feed has already been completed, and here is the feed, which is Central Feed, and where the project is going on, which is the Abia Terminal, is my left here, and he continued moving. This is where the project is happening. He was very far, but his camera could not capture the whole construction site. Here is the head of the site, going until the end of my left. That is how big it is. He went on and reached to where they are doing it. As I said earlier, he greeted the people working there. This is the headline of his thing, and he was amazed when he got there. He was shouting and saying, I did not know that this is true. Oh my God, you can come and watch. This is, wow, see the pillars. And if you look at the pillars here, they are all round pillars. Big one, heavy ones. Heavy pillars. Not all the, no. These pillars are made to carry the structure that looks like this, which is what Alex Otti presented. These pillars are made for this. This is what you see. The guy was as surprised as I was. We were on the same level. He was shouting and I was shouting. Therefore, in the next 2 years, come and see what Alex Otti has produced in Abia State. Because the pillars have been mounted and everything is going accordingly. The feed has already been done. Even grasses have started growing by the feed. For you to see. I believe in the next 8 months, this place will be covered completely and look as everybody wants it to look. This project is a mind-blowing project, and it is not a fake project. Everything seen online is how it is going to look. Alex Otti has started the project, and it is true. All these big pillars have already been there. And based on the information that's getting to us, says that it is going to be wide, plain, where people can come, they can see it, enjoy themselves, It is going to be spacious. And if you don't know, you also have to remember that Alex Otti has started building bus shelters in different places. See, bus shelters mounted for the buses to arrive. When Alex Otti came to office in the beginning and began to show bus shelters, he came up with this prototype. People did not believe that he would do it. Right now, Abia State have this everywhere. As the bus shelters is being mounted, construction workers are working, making culverts and drainage covers and so on and so forth. People are busy building this terminal, which is so futuristic that it's going to surprise the entire Nigeria and going to be the longest bus terminal in Nigeria, if not in Africa. As all these things are going, he has also ordered for buses. And remember, Alex Otti is also building Area Main Market Phase 2. A lot of construction work going on when we talk about road. Today, we say we are not going to focus on road because if we enter there, this news is going to be as long as 7 hours because the type of road this man is constructing is unbelievable. Even Abuja have never seen anything like this. Nobody ever believed that Abuja will be copying what is happening in the Southeast. Nobody. Nobody. But these new governors in the Southeast, they are actually surprisers. Their projects are not the type of project we used to see in the past, that you need a car park, you build a car park, you need... No. When they need a project, they come with project that will surprise the entire country. This is the first time in the history that development is happening so rapidly in Igbo land like this, and every Igbo man is rejoicing. The evidence is everywhere. People have started trooping in to the Igbo land, especially Southeast region, everywhere, buy land, building houses, and they have also started expanding road, which they, are the governors, and doing a lot. Both in Anambra State, the governor is doing well, very, very well. Imo State, the governor is trying, because he is also carrying on some projects here and there, but not to compare with others. Ebonyi State, they were the people who started it. Enugu State is at the high level. I do not even want to talk about Enugu today. Abia State is unbelievable. You begin to ask, what is happening? What is happening? Well, let's pray that this competition the governors are doing in Southeast, let it continue. We want to see it happen more and more. If it could be extended to other parts of Nigeria, cool and beautiful. Let everywhere be developed so that people will not laugh at Nigeria anymore. Each time people laugh at Nigeria, that Nigerian passport is useless because of the leaders, they get money from allocation, they eat it, they do this, they do this, they do this. But now governors have started competing within each other. And that is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So I am going to stop here because you have seen that the project is no more a fake news. It is a project that has come to reality. You understand? So this plan now is over there. Is only remaining when they finish it. We come and show you everything one by one, how beautiful it is, and then we begin to compare with the prototype that we are seeing here. Because if actually this man finishes it the way it is on the prototype here, man, that is going to be mind-blowing. Well, I am going to stop here, and I can't stop praising Alex Otti for what he is doing, because this is a governor who met his state when everything was collapsing. Abia State was going down. It was a bad example of a state. But look at what happened. Within 2 years, this man has changed everything. Even trying to build a bus terminal that is going to be hard for Wike to copy. I'm joking, okay? Okay. Now, Wike will look at this one and copy it again. I do not think Wike is going to build another terminal because he has already finished it. Alex Otti is now coming with a new terminal that will surprise Wike. Okay, so, and I'm mind blown by what is happening in Abia State, and I just wish him good luck, and we will talk about it when it's finished. So, thank you very much for watching, and you will know that you have been watching Prizers TV, and we show you everything on details, and we don't bring fake news here. No, we make sure that we have the prototype and evidences to back it up. If we don't have evidence, we don't talk about it, and the evidence here is mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing, and my shocker on this news is the way Umuahia looks. Umuahia looks like a different country entirely. Both the soil, both the area view, both everything look different, and this governor is going to make it to look more different than I am even talking about. So thank you very much for watching, and knowing that you've been watching Prizers TV, and we will always bring good news for you and developmental news. See you next time.